Mold, it's in the news a lot at present. It looks unpleasant. And it's bad for our health. Step 1. Clean and disinfect moldy surfaces with Aspida Natural Disinfectant, non-toxic and no irritation. Step 2. Apply Vitec Nano Shield to prevent mold returning. Up to 12 months protection with only one application. Vitec Nano Shield has a remarkable ability to bond with almost any surface. But what about our indoor air quality? We've got you covered. Compact air purification systems for your home. Eliminate airborne mold, fungus, and odor from cooking sources. Pets, garbage, and overcrowding. Wall-mounted and easy to install. Automatic operation and simple maintenance. You are protected.